Math Explorers! I'm Max the Math Horse, and today we're going on a place value adventure. Did you know there are 10 digits that build every number? Let's discover how numbers grow bigger and bigger. All numbers are built from 10 digits. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These tiny digits work together like building blocks to make bigger numbers. But wait, what happens after 9? We don't get a new digit. Instead, we use place value. That means digits move into different places to show bigger numbers. To understand place value, we can use counters. A counter is something we use to help us count. One counter means 1. 10 counters together make a group of 10. Let's start with the ones place. If we have 3 counters, that means the number 3. Easy. Now watch what happens when we reach 10 counters. They move into the tens place. One group of 10 means the number 10. Numbers follow patterns from 0 to 100. Look closely. 11, 12, 13. The numbers keep growing. Every time we add one more, the number changes. And guess what? 0 is a special digit. 0 means nothing in that place. For example, 10 means 1 10 and 0 ones. Now let's compare numbers. Which is bigger, 15 or 12? Look at the counters. Both have 1 10, but 15 has more ones. So 15 is bigger. Great job, Math Explorers! Today we learned there are 10 digits. Numbers use place value. Counters help us count. And 0 is a special digit. Keep practicing and soon you'll count all the way to 100. See you next time with Max the Math Horse. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Brainy Barn, where smart learning grows.